In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson printer PX5600 using adjustment programs. Before you download these adjustment programs, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download these resetter or adjustment programs. The link download on video description. After you download, just right click and extract the folder. After that, you can open the resetter folder and run adjustment programs. Please click Accept. In here, you can select particular adjustment mode. Please choose wash inkpad counter. Click OK. Tick on main pad counter options and then click button check. After that, click initialization button. Then you can click finish. If you encounter an error, you can repeat the last step. After the resetter works, you can close the resetter and you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.